If achieving a clean hem like this is the goal, watch the video to the end. Here you get a strip of paper, you place it on the right side of the back frame of the fabric, then you sew the paper on it like you see me doing. You sew and continue sewing until you get to the other point where you started the stitch from. And the next thing that you do is that you're going to trim off excess. That's a very great tip. You don't need much fabric and paper in you rolling over to this to the other side to get the, and here is what it looks like after trimming off the excess part. This is me showing you guys how it looks like from the inside, and what I'll just do is to roll it to the wrong side. Like I'm going to roll what I have from the outside, I'm going to roll it in, and you can see it's already clean without stitching. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to pin it down, and the reason for this is to lay the fabric and everything very well properly. And the next thing I'll be doing is to go on into my machine and continue to sew down till I get to the other point where I started the stitch from. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, please follow, like, share and comment. This will encourage me to drop more tips like this. Thank you. And the next thing I'm going to do is, like, I'm just trying to show you guys what it looks like from the inside, like after done stitching on the paper and the fabric. And here is what it looks like from the outside, that is the right part of the fabric. And this is me pulling off the paper, the excess paper we have outside. You can just wet the paper with water, so it's going to be easy to pull off, so you won't pull off thread while pulling it out. And here is what it looks like after. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next one.